Why does getting a free coffee after 10 purchases still feel a little bit like a ripoff? That simple question is at the heart of the constant, complicated conversation about customer rewards and perceived value. It's a dialogue happening right now, every day, in the massive, unfiltered forum of Reddit. We decided to dive into those subreddits, from the frugal to the full-on retail horror stories, to figure out what users really think about those loyalty cards, points systems, and exclusive deals. The insights are a direct, often brutally honest look at what brands are doing right, and, more often, very, very wrong. First, the big takeaway: a loyalty program is rarely about loyalty. Reddit users overwhelmingly view these programs as a simple transaction, your data for their discount. They understand the primary goal is tracking purchases, optimizing sales, and reducing what's called churn, not giving you a genuine gift. So, if the reward is too complicated, too difficult to earn, or requires downloading a clunky app, the trade-off isn't worth it. People are asking, is $1 off my next sandwich worth the perpetual pressure from a cashier to sign up? For many, the answer is a firm no. The cognitive load, the sheer effort of managing points, remembering which card to use, and dealing with expirations, often outweighs the minor financial benefit. What does work? Simplicity and immediate, meaningful value. The programs that get praised are usually straightforward: a high-value discount on gas, or a decent free item after a small, attainable goal. The reward can't feel like something you were going to buy anyway. It needs to be a true bonus that feels substantial enough to justify the data they're collecting. Ultimately, the Reddit consensus boils down to this: stop trying to trick us. Stop forcing employees to hawk cards. If your product or service is good, the loyalty will follow. If you must have a program, make the value immediate, clear, and worth the privacy cost. That's the real insight. In the digital age, a customer's time and data have a high price tag, and a 10-cent coffee is no longer cutting it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.